let me introduce our work called Song Composer. It's a large language model for lyrics and melody composition in song generation. So the topic I'm focused on today is emotion and music generation. So in general, if we want to change the emotion to lyrics process, what kind of data should we prepare? That's our major goal. So this model has like many possibilities. It can change lyrics to melody and something else, but today I'm going to only focus on text to song. So by running this model, we just simply pull out a notebook, run it on with like the using the Hugging Face transformers, and then using different prompts. The prompt I'm focusing is the text to song, create a song like Brave and Rapid Space. You can see that it generates songs in their own data structure, which is word, key, the continuation of that sound, and the continuation of the silence. This is how they use their data. Okay, so the key here is that it generates music. If you, but the thing we want to focus on here is actually one thing. It's like, how does generator classify music emotion like human? As we all think that like happy music might be fast-paced, up-tempoed, like with high pitch, many words, something like that. Sad song, maybe they are more pitched down, they sound sad, they use like different. I want to see that if the generator actually generates all those music with the given criteria, or on the other hand, if they generate a certain criteria on all these emotions, will they impact, what kind of like metrics will they reflect? Therefore, I use the notebook to generate a bunch of data. I generate about like I use the 5 basic emotion as the baseline emotion, and then use the model to generate a lot of music. With this music, I use the data processing tool to process them into different kinds of data. If you take a look at here, there are part of the data metrics. For these metrics, I calculate the note duration and rest duration of this song. So for happy music, I assume there are more lyrics, and for sad music, probably there are more silence. And there are other different metrics that we have used to classify these musics. Okay, so at the end of the day, how does this generate music? Well, it only generates MIDI, but as they say in the paper, you can use some tools like AStudio to change them into music. This is a joyful music that I created. It seems that it's kind of still up-tempoed, high-pitched, and sounds quite happy. So with this kind of music, we are going to classify them more into different like types of metrics. So therefore, we can finally, with this metrics, we can determine like what kind of music, if we actually want to strengthen an emotion to lyrics. For example, if we want to say create a happy song, what kind of data should we actually prepare to make a happy song? Also, this invokes an interesting question about, do we use people's happy song or the song that actually satisfies these metrics, which can be a really interesting topic to determine further as a project after this course.